Instant solution for hiccup. Instant solution for hiccup. Hiccup is something that many people don't know how to go about it whenever they go through this. Hiccup is something that can be so disturbed, it will disturb you. You will not be able to talk. You will not be able to swallow things. You will not be able to do anything. But today I bring to you instant solution to hiccup. The instant solution to hiccup is agidi. Ẹ̀kọ, Yoruba people call it ẹ̀kọ eléwé, while the Igbo call it agidi. If you don't know what is agidi or ẹ̀kọ, very simple. Just make thick pap and honey. When you make thick pap and honey, mix it together. Take it immediately. Take it in between 5 minutes. Agidi, ẹ̀kọ eléwé with good honey. You will find instant relief. Instant relief to hiccup. Instant relief to hiccup is agidi and good honey. Try this today. You will come back to testify. Agidi, honey, or ẹ̀kọ eléwé, instant relief to hiccup. Instant relief to hiccup, agidi or ẹ̀kọ eléwé.